Welcome back. It's now time to poop.
Alright guys, we got Legendary Duelist Season 3 display box. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Oh yeah, also, this looks awesome. Sunrise, Dark Magician Girl. What was that? Satellite something? Satellite Warrior. Alright. These are our chase dice. Dark Magician Circle, and with Hero Neos. This one is the Miracle Fusion. Oh, it's just a Hero Signal? Hero Signal, and then Junk Synchron die with the secret Dark Magician Girl dice. So hopefully we'll pull that one. Let's go ahead. Now here comes the dice part. Let's see what we get. Oh, and the secret rare cards as well. I'm not familiar on the specifics. Liquid Soldier and Magicians.
Yeah, I got 2 secrets in this one.
No way.
I got Dark Magician.
You got 2 secrets in it? What? What? No way, dude. You.
That's the one I struggled with too.
No way. That... 2 secrets in one box?
I like that.
No, I got Synchron. What? Dude, doubles. No, wait, okay, you're gonna have to reveal yours before we go any further. Guys, these are still sealed. You guys saw it. I haven't edited nothing from that. What? That's something else. Okay. Well, you got a Dark Magician, so let's see if you get Dark Magicians. Your good zone. Alright, cool, so I'll flip mine because I only pulled 1 secret. Liquid Soldier! Ooh.
Yeah, I got 2. That's good.
That's insane! You managed to pull the Mystical Elf White Lightning! This card's amazing. Pause to read. Alright. Oh, and you pulled the Harpy's Lady one. Cool. Harpy's Pet Baby Dragon. Nice. Harpy's Pet Dragon, not Baby Dragon. That's like a full-grown dragon right there. Okay. Oh, okay. Put yours close again. Let's see. You get 2 again? Is it possible? That's crazy. Oh, yeah, 1 secret. And the die is... Dark Magician Girl! What? Dark Magician... That's Dark Magician Girl! What? Secret die already, guys! Wow. Oh my gosh, it's a Dark Magician Girl die. We did it, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Until next time. I'm joking. Oh my god. That's so nice. Oh, Liquid Soldier? Oh, cool. The Prayer Plant. Monster. We pulled the secret die, guys. Come on. Here are Keats pulls. Whoa. That's the Nails one. Oh my god, guys. Legendary. Another Dark Magician, maybe? Nope, synchro. Another Neos.
Oh, nice.
Sunrise! Ooh! Dark Magicians? 4 Dark Magicians! Guys, Dark Magicians with Dark Magician Girl die. Oh, if you touch the screen, just tap it. Nice. Dark Magician die with Dark Magicians. Amazing, guys. That. Silver Calculus! Is it Silver Calculus or is it Magician Circle?
Hey, did we get one of each?
Did we? Oh my god. No doubles?
I got doubles. You got 2 of them.
Dude, that's what you really need. You really need just 2 Liquid Soldiers. Oh my god. We got the God Box, guys. Oh my god. Yugi and Bakura are on our side.
I think we got one of each.
Oh my god, so if we pull all the Evil Hero cards, and you pull all the Magician cards, if you pull Souls, and I start pulling Malicious Bane, wow, this is going to be an amazing battle. Dark Magician die. Sorry, Dark Magician Girl die. Dark Magician die. And of course, the Dark Magician's secret. I'm true. Alright. So, let's get into it. Boop. Converter, nice. Oh, Dark Magician Girl. What? Was that purple? Oh, it's the Ultra version. Oh my god, Dark Magician Girl already. This is insane, guys. Dark Magician Girl and the Dark Magician died. That's amazing. Familiar, Purple Plant, Dark Sanctuary, Evil Hero, Odd Eyes, Dark Fusion, Prayer Practice, Destiny Board, should have been Ultra, Supreme King's Castle, Evil Hero Inferno, Necroface. What? Apprentice Illusion. Oh my god, this is gonna be one Dark Magician battle. Dark Magician Girl Red! What? Dark Magician Girl again? Dude. Ooh, Earthbound Immortal. And Dark Magician. 3 for 3 Dark Magician Girls, guys. Blue. Red. And gold. And gold. Wow, already 3 Dark Magician Girls.
That's all we can get.
Okay, enough with the Dark Magician Girl. Let's go. Is that the Magician of Chaos? We got Wild Cyclone, Dawn Walker. Dark Magician Girl red again. Oh my god, I think I channeled Dark Magician Girl too. Dark Magician Girl for the 4th time. Alright. Come on. Prodigy. Huh. Prodigy. Sangan. Let's hear a sing. And Inferno Wing. And another Honest Neos. But it's blue. Blue Neos. Alright, we're down to our last pack, guys. Last pack each. Malicious Bane. Actually, I don't know what else we could pull. What, another Magician Gold? Adjusted Gold, maybe? Evil Hero. Adjusted Gold, yeah.
Dusted. Dusted.
A dusted? Or dusted?
Dusted.
Dusted. We need Dusted Gold. Let's do this. Or, no, we need some, also Magician Souls. Yeah. Magician Souls. Per practice. Junk Connect. Your own Necro. 5 Dark Magician Girls. Whoa, okay. That was a lot of Dark Magician Girl. This was a Dark Magician Girl set, everybody. Wow, what was that one? That's another red one? Mm-hmm. Wow. The only one that I know that could pull this many Dark Magician Girls is Simply Unlucky. Hey Roman, thanks for the luck. We managed to pull the die. Oh my god, this is crazy. So, guys, this has been Legendary Duelist Season 3 opening. We managed to pull 5 Dark Magician Girls, the Dark Magicians, and we got lucky and got the secret rare Dark Magician Girl die. So until next time, guys, go ahead and have an awesome day.